Morning. Today I'll be taking the budget electric Beetle on a range test. We're going to Manchester. We're going to meet Tom, have a look around his garage, probably see his ever increasing collection of Z3s. And we're definitely going to need a rapid charge. Hopefully it works. And so the plan, going up towards Stocksbridge, over the Woodhead. Got a bit of a wiggle on. So wiggling. Up to Stocksbridge, over the Woodhead, to Manchester, and to McDonald's, where there's an Instavolt and breakfast. So get back to you when we get a bit closer. There we are, just about to go on the Woodhead with the budget electric Beetle. You can come around for a ride. Oh, let's put you in here. Maybe kind of a time lapse of this bit. There we go. That's the best you're getting anyway. Uphill. Let's go. First gear topping out 35 miles an hour. Thanks to the small melt. So look, I forgot to fully charge last night, so I set off at 97%. We've done 19 miles. We're at now 58%. All uphill with the seams of it. But we're here, just turning into the McDonald's. Here we go. Maybe Tom will already be here, or maybe he won't. See a Z3. Oh,
turn left, then turn right.
Plug it in.
So this is fast, is it?
We'll see. Oh, this one's different to the one I've used. Start from are just following Tom to this undisclosed Z3 storage facility. Yeah, the Chademo failed at McDonald's. So that's something to look into. It was a different unit. I've not seen those. Not used one of those ones before. Hopefully get a rapid charge somewhere else. Maybe a pod point or a genie point. I was going to film following Tom's car, but I can't quite get the angle right so I can see the car. Plus we need to keep the Z3 storage facility secret. So we're at 34%, we've done 40 miles. Yeah, I think that's quite a conservative estimate at 34%. Probably a bit more, but going home yet? Wonder if we can have the slowest drag race in history. Go! They're out at the Z3 storage facility. Awesome. B-Day. If you don't follow Tom, make sure you do. He actually makes regular videos. There we are, here's Tom. Make sure you subscribe to his channel because he actually makes videos regularly.
Twice a week.
They're about EVs, Z3s, you've probably seen them anyway. And here we are, charging on a pod point. Third try of the day. Was that? No, Instavolt first,
Yeah.
failed.
Genie point.
Failed. And now, here we go. 30 kilowatts. And then we're going to head home, hopefully. Yeah, been a good day. Interesting.
Well,
yeah.
not what we planned.
Not what we planned, but still. Yeah, see you later. Hello again. On the way back home now. Did a rapid charge after Lidl, as you've just seen. So now heading back towards the Woodhead and home. Interesting day. Got to see the Z3 storage unit workshop. Tom's body kit's looking really nice. I think that's going to make a brilliant looking car, that Z300 I think he's calling it. Yeah, I didn't get to play with this car. I was hoping to play around with the new motor upgrade in there. But a gearbox issue put a stop to that. But oh well. Still, good test of the car. Yeah, a bit nervous when the first charger failed, or couldn't get the first two chargers actually going. I think the first one may have been my fault, and the second, the Genie point, was showing us not working on Zap Map. It was never actually giving 12 volt to the start charge pin for the controller on the car to start kicking everything off, which may be the issue that was reported on Zap Map. But Genie Point's own app said it was working. So there you go, that's that. But the pod point one worked mostly. Just as I was coming to the end of charging, someone else turned up and was trying to start a charge on CCS. I think they did actually manage to start, but then I couldn't get the machine to stop. Every time I pressed stop charging, it was saying to confirm in the app, and the app didn't have anything there. So in the end, I just pulled the power from my Chademo controller, and the unit just stopped charging, unlocked the connector, and the other fella was carrying on charging. So don't know what was going on there. But yeah, hopefully the rest of the journey back will be just a smooth than eventless. So